welcome here to the 2005 Honda display. Now, how many Honda riders do I have out there? Make some noise for me again. All right, well, those of you, if you're part of the HRCA, you got the chance today to enter to win. We're giving away a Honda racing jacket, just like the one that I'm wearing up here on the platform, so you don't want to miss out on this. All you got to do is go over to our Honda Riders Club desk right next to my platform, show us your membership card, and we will get you signed up to win. In addition to that, we've got our 2005 event pins, just like the one I'm wearing on my Honda racing jacket. And this year it's a little bit special. Last year, you know, we had the Rune because it just came out. This year we've got the Honda Activity Truck, which all you guys see at all the events that happen throughout the year. And for the next year, for 2005, it's going to be even more visible out there for you, because we're going to have a ton of regional events going on. And those are all going to be in the Red Rider magazine coming out for the January, February issues. So definitely check that out when it comes in the mail, because you don't want to miss out on all the fun events that are going to be happening locally. Now, for those of you who don't know about the Honda Riders Club, and especially if you ride a Honda and you don't know, ask one of us. Feel free to talk to Dwayne back there. He'll be more than happy to tell you about all the membership benefits. I'm going to tell you a few that I think are really awesome. 24/7 roadside assistance. In addition to that, you get free towing with no mileage limitations. That is golden. So whether 1 mile or 500 miles, we tow you to your nearest Honda dealership. Now, in addition to that, tons of HRCA discounts throughout the year, including discounts on Progressive Insurance, also on events that happen all throughout the year, like the motorcycle show or all of our racing events, the Honda Hoods, so you get tons of discounts that way. Also, Msf Training Reimbursements. Everybody has the opportunity every year, who's part of the HRCA, to be reimbursed up to $75 for Msf training. And ATV safety training also fits into that too, so that's a wonderful benefit to get. And in addition, you get things like the Red Rider magazine, which is our bi-monthly magazine that all of our members receive. And we have tons of giveaways like we're doing with the jacket this weekend. So you definitely want to find out more information if you don't know about the Honda Riders Club. And before you leave today too, if you have any questions about anything that you see on the floor out there, just talk to one of our sales representatives. They'll be more than happy to assist you, give you all the information that you need. You can pick up a full-line brochure as well. We've got plenty scattered throughout the display in the black brochure bins. So you can pick up one of those too before you leave today. And last but not least, I'm just going to touch on the beautiful Goldwing that we have up here. You guys, I'm sure a lot of you know about Emilio Scotto over here. Everybody say hi. Hey, Emilio. His story is such a great story, and we actually were so inspired by him riding his original GL 1100 Goldwing that he dubbed the Black Princess around the world. He's ridden over 485,000 miles. Just unbelievable things that have happened to him out there. And we were so inspired that we actually worked along with Denny Berg at Cobra in the Cobra Engineering Special Projects Division in Southern California, and he came up with this beautiful customized version of the GL 1800, our beautiful Goldwing. So a lot of a Euro feel with this, kind of bringing the inside out. It's got a really sleek look to it as well. And Emilio actually rode this as the Grand Marshal of the Honda Hoot this year. So we're real excited to have it on the tour with us for the motorcycle show. Yeah, all right. I love it when we make noise. That's what I love. Keeps my energy up. But anyway, if you have any other questions, we will be more than happy to help you out, give you all the information you need. There's even a couple of components on here that you'll be able to buy in just a few weeks. So I'll be happy to tell you about that too. But definitely stick around, everybody. Thanks so much for stopping by. And on behalf of the Honda Riders Club, have a great night here at the 2005 International Motorcycle Show.